it's me, Jules, and I'm here with Sophie. She's just over there. And we're in Kilkenny, and we're here to see it. But we're in like a shopping centre right now, and there's like a big Christmas tree. It's like so big, and so I'm gonna show you the other side. Come over here, Sophie. Well, you might have seen this, but over here there's like this crib. Jesus isn't there yet because he wasn't born yet. I think they're gonna put him in later after he's born. It was like this last year as well. And there's lovely stars. It's like the star that guided like the shepherds and everything. It's very pretty, guys.
Then if you go back, you can kind of see all of these.
And so now I'm just gonna give you like a preview of all of this, and yeah, so you can see the whole place. And yeah, I'll be right back. Yeah, pause it. Okay guys, so that was the preview of everything, and yeah, so yeah, we're gonna see you at the Coca-Cola Truck or somewhere else. Okay, see you guys, bye! Okay guys, so oh my gosh, we're in the car now, that's why the camera's all shaky, and we're going to see the trucks now. Whoa. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna have like a video posted up on YouTube now. Yeah, so and me and my friend Sophie, she's over at my house, so we uploaded like a whole bunch of videos. So go check out her channel, Shopkin Lovers. It's all in capital blocks, capital letters. Oh, sorry, wait, that was her old name. Her new name is I forgot her new name, so it's Lps Chloe Sparkles. So yeah, go subscribe to her and like her videos and all, and yeah. So yeah, this isn't the end of the video though. Okay, so I'm gonna like show you